What's up, guys? Today I am playing Heavy Rain. Right, so is he sleeping or is he dead? I've never even heard of this game before. Thank you, babe. Yeah, shout out to my fiance, Mr. Deceptive Honor. Wait, hold on. To interact, make the indicator move with the right stick. Oh, okay. He just now brought me this game. Recommended it to me. So, let's see. Try to do it slowly to see how you control the animation speed. Is that slow enough? Hello, mister. Hold R2 to walk. Use the left stick to change direction. Okay. Well, this is weird, using R2 to walk. Why do I need to look down? Where's the point in this? Okay. Let's put some pants on. How do I... Oh, okay. There we go. You don't have to, but in this game there are chances to do things like... Oh, okay, so I don't even have to look at the balcony. Okay. At any time you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing and holding down L2. Okay. Shower. You want to take a shower? You smelly kid. Alright. Let's go.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Okay, let's find the bathroom. See you in a day, and cheers for popping by. Thank you. Oh, how did I manage that? Oh, who's that? His wife. Oh, that makes you happy. Right. Oh, yeah. Why's a thing on the floor?
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
I love you too, Grace. Yeah, you don't have to take them to hospital if you do. It impacts the story. Oh, okay, I got you. Right, so I need to find the bathroom. Do I have an ensuite? Why can't I change, like, the camera angle? Can I not, like, walk over here? Oh, I'm guessing there's no door there. Oh, I've got a bird. Nice. Let's feed the bird. Good morning, bird. Oh, no. Okay. Right, where's the bathroom at? Oh, that's not bathroom. Why can't I change, like, the camera angle? Where's a bathroom? Oh, here. Okay, so you want a shower. Hey. And this type of symbol appears on both slow lines. What? Oh, too fast. Sauce mate, hope it didn't cut you. Hey Heather. Yeah, Ryan told me to download it. He just paid for it. Turn your head to see which actions are available. Use the left stick to look at the shower. No, Heather, I've not played it before. I've never even heard of it before. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. You've never clicked on a notification faster in your life. Oh, I appreciate you popping in, Heather. I hope I do you proud. Are you happy, mate? Okay, so what are you thinking now? Clothes.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
Let's go then. Back to the bedroom. Press L1 to switch oh, yes! Use them to explore the environment. There we go. What are we wearing today, guys? So we got some jeans and a shirt. Okay, so now what? What do you want to do? Work? Awake? Awake what?
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
Almost feel awake, so what, do you want a coffee? Let's go get a coffee. The characters' thoughts change with the situation. Remember to check them regularly. Garden, work. Let's go to the garden.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
But what time do you start work, mate? Let's go to
I've got
work.
some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Okay, so... I don't think this is work, but a bit of fun apparently. Where's the kitchen? Who's Jason? Where's the kitchen at? Oh, right there. Lol. Can I not make a coffee? Okay, so where's his like computer now to do some work? Actually, no. Let's just go outside. Jason? Why Jason is a sad face? I'm guessing Jason dies. Is Jason his kid? Okay, so what's in here? Oh, that's a toilet. Where do I have to go to work? Let's get some work done. Goes to the toy car. Yeah, I know. No, he does not die. I just wanted to throw you off. Oh, where? Can you help me? Like, where do I have to go for work? Is there like a room here that I can't see? No. Okay. You have an office? Yeah, where? I can't bloody find it. Is it up here? Oh, is it through there? Okay. There we are. You have an office. This house is buff. What, his house? Yeah, it's not too bad, yeah. Fractions requiring timing and position. Press the indicated button as soon as it appears. Okay, triangle. Look at that. Whoa. Whew. Now I admire your work. Good job, mate. Well done. Your future house in it, right? That would be nice. Right. What do you want to do now? Grace, work, thirsty. Yeah, I tried to
I could
make
go
you
for a cup of coffee.
I'll go for a cup of coffee. Okay, let's go for a cup of coffee then. Grace is home. Mental trauma. What's that?
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Yeah, right. This game is
Ethan,
PTSD.
can you please help me?
What have I got myself into?
I'm coming.
Oh, press and hold down each button until they all disappear. What?
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I only get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem, leave it to me.
Plates in the living room cupboard.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug. That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
I'm
Don't
nervous. You
worry,
guys
I
are making
wouldn't
me
want to be
nervous.
responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Reactions to what? Like...
Hey, Ethan, you said you were going to be careful.
I'm sorry, I'll be more gentle.
Oh, Jesus. Wait, that...
Ethan!
I know, I'm being careful.
I'm gonna cause an argument in a minute. Is that soft enough for you? Such a good husband, exactly how I was, Heather. Music man just brings back all the memories. Trust me, this game. It doesn't make me nervous. Right, what now? Play with kids. Oh yeah, you're still thirsty.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Okay. Why won't it let me go up there? Hey, Squash Mac, thanks for popping in. How are you doing? Don't choke, mate. Good. Thanks for popping in. How's your day? Right. Let's put some
How about some
on,
music?
and then let's go play with the kids. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How's your day been? Yeah, my fiance, Mr. Deceptive, he just bought it for me. Him and his sister recommended it, so I've never even heard of this game before.
I think I'll go outside and play with the kids.
That's
Hey.
it, I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys,
Never
okay?
played it yourself.
After that, we've got to eat, because your friends are going to be here
Okay,
soon.
we promise, Mom.
Oh yeah, babe, I'm
Me
good.
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas, you can both have a turn.
Me
Ooh.
first. Me first. No, me first.
Oh, it's your birthday, so...
All right, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Don't yeet the kid. What does yeet mean?
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Around the flower. Whoa. Okay, this is so fun. Oh, not into the tree. Okay, where's your brother? Here.
Come on, Dad.
If you get to the sword fight
big
bit,
muscles.
Be careful, hang on.
big strong muscles.
Oh,
Thanks, boys. There you go, babe. The sword bit. What does yeet mean? I don't
This
get it.
time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
ah, surrender, weakling. Say your prayer.
Round 1. Fight!
Come on, Jason.
Victoria.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in? Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Who's Sean? Wait, if there was a kid in that room, I went in that room earlier. Oh, there was no kid in there. Yeet is when you throw something or get rid of something with great force. Oh, okay. Thanks. Oh, look, there you are. What are you doing? What happened to the bird?
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
What the fuck? I just checked on him this morning.
He's dead and it's all my fault.
What did you do, you
No,
little
it's not,
prick?
Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know. I know.
Right, I got you, Heather. Gotcha. How the fuck did they kill the bird? There's no social distance in there, is there? We've got one.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Of course, the man just stands outside and shopping.
He couldn't have gone far. He was here a second ago.
Jason!
What the fuck?
Jason!
Is that him?
Jason!
Why did he just run off?
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Jason.
Jason! Jason! Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
No, you just ran
Great.
off, you little shit.
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go.
You're a bit sweaty, Dad.
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Wait, is he like the child from It?
Keep the change.
Jason, where did you go?
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this
Don't
crowd.
talk to me now. Where's Jason?
Where's Jason?
He was here a second
what I
ago.
just
I
asked.
bought him a balloon, I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yeah, tell me
What
about
do
it,
you mean
Scottish man.
disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get
Got
him.
a creepy face.
I'll be right back. Jason! 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 Jason!
There's a red balloon.
Jason! Quick, I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd.
Quick then. Quick. Get the fuck out of my way.
Jason!
I should have followed it. Move, get out my way.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Where the fuck is he?
Jason! 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 Jason!
Where did he go?
Jason!
Where did he go?
Jason!
Oh, there's a red balloon. No.
Jason! Jason? Jason!
Oh, there's him. Quick. Get the fuck out of my way.
Jason!
Nice one, babe. What? Cheers, babe.
Jason!
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Jason!
There, across the road. Why is he going across the road? What are you doing still Saturday? What the fuck?
Shit!
I'm trying to get my kit back. Oh, you only just noticed it. Oh, he's gonna get run over. Knew it.
Oh, damn.